In this video, I'll guide you through how to uninstall Cloudflare Warp on Windows 11. If you've tried Cloudflare Warp and decided it's not for you or you just don't need it anymore, removing it completely is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own computer. First, make sure you're signed into Windows with an account that has permission to install and remove software. If you're using a work or school computer, you might need administrator access or help from your IT department. Also, before uninstalling, it's a good idea to disconnect Warp if it's currently running, just to avoid any network interruptions. You can usually do this by looking for the Warp icon in your system tray near the clock and switching it off. Now, let's start by opening the Windows search bar. On Windows 11, the quickest way to do this is to click the search icon on your taskbar, or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing. In the search bar, type Cloudflare Warp. As you type, Windows will start showing matching apps and options. You might see the Cloudflare Warp app itself appear as a result. What we're looking for, though, is the uninstall option that Windows provides. Depending on how your system is set up, there are two easy paths from here. If the search results show Cloudflare Warp with an option like uninstall on the right side, go ahead and click that. Windows will then open the installed apps or apps and features settings page with Cloudflare Warp already highlighted or easy to find. This is the quickest route. If you don't see an uninstall button directly in the search results, don't worry. In that case, click on Add or Remove Programs or Apps and Features, which should also appear in the search results. This will open your app settings where all installed programs are listed. Once you're in the app settings, you'll see a search box specifically for your installed apps. Type Cloudflare Warp there. When Cloudflare Warp appears in the list, look for the three dots or menu button next to it. Click that and then select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove Cloudflare Warp. Confirm the uninstall. At this point, the Cloudflare Warp uninstaller will run. Just follow any prompts that appear. In most cases, it's a simple process where you might just need to click uninstall or yes a couple of times. The uninstallation may take a few moments, especially if Warp has been in use for a while. Let it finish without closing the window. When it's done, the app will disappear from your installed programs list, which is a good sign that everything has been removed. After the uninstall completes, it's a good practice to restart your computer. Restarting helps clear out any remaining background services or network settings related to Warp and ensures your system is back to using your normal network configuration. Once your computer has restarted, you can verify the uninstall by checking that the Cloudflare Warp icon is no longer in your system tray and that it no longer appears in your installed apps list. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Cloudflare Warp from your Windows 11 PC.